Welcome to day 87 of my podcast on sustainability. Today, I'd like to continue to discuss the IPCC report that came out a little over a week ago. So, the first thing I'd like to note is that the dramatic changing of world weather patterns from the increase in the world temperature 1.1 degree above industrial levels, most of it in the last 30 years. So, the first thing I'd like to note is the extreme heavy rain that is in some areas of the world. A good example of those that are currently getting higher rainfall than they would have before are Europe, South Africa, the east coast of the United States, um, and some parts of Asia. Now, what that means is that the extreme weather events are increased, but there might be a short-term benefit in, for example, being able to grow more crops, which means that people will believe that climate change is not a bad thing for their area. However, I just want to note that when a hurricane comes through, it tears down buildings, ruins infrastructure, can set a community back multiple years, even up to a decade. So, what I'd like to say for people that are technically getting a short-term benefit out of maybe an increased rainfall in the area for farming and obviously the fact that crops will grow better. Now, just be cautious of this because this is basically a long-term problem, and we need to address it.